Hi Muffins! Welcome to my kitchen and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm switching things up a little bit. Still keeping things sweet, but I'm adding just a little spice to today's recipe. Keeping with my Super Bowl inspiration this week, I'm gonna mix things up and share my sweet and spicy baked wings recipe with you guys. I don't think there's another day in the year that Americans eat wings more than Super Bowl Sunday. But believe me when I tell you, once you have these wings, you'll be making them and eating them all year round. These wings are lightly breaded and smothered in a honey-sweetened hot sauce. Seriously, so good. So if you want to learn how to make my sweet and spicy baked wings, then please stay tuned. You'll need to combine half a cup of Parmesan cheese with half a cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix these well and set aside. You'll also need 2 pounds of chicken wings, the juice of 3 to 4 limes, 2 tablespoons and half a cup of melted salted butter divided, half a cup of honey, 1 cup of Louisiana style hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of white rice wine vinegar. Rinse your chicken in warm water and cover it with your lime juice. Really work it in there to make sure that all your chicken is coated. This will further clean the chicken and help to enhance its flavor while baking. Now drain any excess lime juice and pour in your 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Work it in once again using your hands to be sure that all of your chicken is evenly coated. The butter will give the breadcrumbs a little something to stick to, and it'll give our chicken a nice crunch while baking in the oven. Add in your breadcrumb mixture and mix it in to lightly coat the chicken. Now line a baking sheet with some foil and coat it with a non-stick cooking spray. Evenly distribute the chicken on your baking sheet and bake it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. Now on to the sauce. In a small pot, add your hot sauce, your honey. Make sure to use all that honey, you guys. Half cup of melted butter, rice wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Now give it a good stir and bring your sauce to a boil. As the sauce begins to thicken, go ahead and add in a little cayenne pepper. I used half a teaspoon, which gives this dish the perfect amount of heat, but you can use as much or as little as you'd like. Keep boiling for a few minutes more. You'll know your sauce is ready when it's a deep red in color and has a nice thick consistency. Altogether, it shouldn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. Once your wings have baked, transfer them to a clean bowl and pour over your sweet and spicy wing sauce. Use a spoon to make sure all of your wings are smothered in the sauce and transfer to a plate or serving tray. Trust me, you won't want to waste any of this stuff. So go ahead and drizzle on the sauce left over from the bottom of your bowl. And for a final touch, garnish with some diced green onions. And there you have it. You guys will love these wings so much that you may want to double or triple this recipe. That's it! As always, the full list of ingredients can be found down in the description box, and the full step-by-step instructions are over on the blog at karrahgermain.com. Please try it out and let me know what you think. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below so I know you watched. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching. And as always, stay sweet.